I'm just at the top of Crown Towers in Perth, Western Australia, and I thought I'd take you on a little tour of the Chairman's Villa. Here we are in the south wing. The Chairman's Villa is a lovely apartment at the very top of Perth's only 6-star resort. Here we have some fabulous people making what I can only assume is swan-shaped towel origami in the eastern bathroom. Oh, hello. Now we'll go check out the... oh no, sorry. This is the eastern bathroom. I think the last one was the southern bathroom. Now, of course, we have the fabulous northern twin room. And it's a very civilized sized walk-in wardrobe over there. It's the private lift that we just passed, and then more walk-in robes as we lead into the master bedroom facing, of course, west, which is where all the action is here in Western Australia, because you get to see the spectacularly fabulous sunsets, and the western bathroom in which you can gaze at those beautiful sunsets while also viewing a lovely cityscape, magnificent views of the river, the all-new Optus Stadium and Loch Ness Monster Bridge. Fabulous room. It really is. Lots and lots of marble, very tastefully decorated. The master bathroom, very civilized size. And then, oh, you know what? Let's just cross through. Oh, I didn't even spot this before. This is the private gym, and then, of course, the private massage room, obviously. But that's just the top floor. That's just the mezzanine of this fabulous living area with very nice, decadent, modern chandeliers, private bar, private living space, and a less private elevator. The living area is fabulously glassed for more spectacular views, and we're ready to have some fun. Cheers.